took that trip, and then she pulled out my mushroom tip. And when it came out, it went drip, drip, drip. I didn't know she had the G.I. Joe Kung Fu grip, and it went, and the girl caressed me down, and that's that loving sound. And it went, and the girl caressed me down, and that's that loving sound. When that kiss makes me feel horny, 'cause I'm the type of lover with the sensitivity. When she kissed my neck and tickled me fancy, she gave me the right kind of love on a Sunday morning. En el otro lado es donde viví, con un mijita que se llama Mix.